What is up, guys? Bull market is here and gaming season is about to come. I know if you're new right now and you're looking at the markets, you might be a little bit scared or a little bit nervous. Bitcoin halving is finished. You might think that it's the end, but trust me, it is only just the beginning and we are nowhere near the insanity which is about to happen. In today's video, I want to share with you one of the biggest games that's going to come out this bull market. And gaming as a whole, you might not think that it's going to pop off because meme coins are taking off. And I love memes, but altcoins, especially gaming and AI, is a very clear narrative to be exposed to this cycle and to accumulate during this dip. So I want to start things off by going over the token, and then I'll go over just why you should be so bullish when it comes to the market and actually accumulating things for the next 2 to 3 months before we take off. First things first, the project I want to talk about today is ShareTopia. Now, ShareTopia, I mentioned this last time on the channel around 1 month ago. Over 1,000 people viewed it, which is great for my channel. And I mentioned it at $1.27. When I mentioned it, straight after, it went full, like at no stage was anybody in a loss, right? And we went full vertical all the way up to about $3.40. So congratulations to everybody that got in and got out. I know a lot of people do like double your money, take profits, which is great, because if that was you, you are now back close to entry. In fact, not entry yet, but you're close to entry, which means we can accumulate more. And that's one of the reasons why I actually wanted to make this video, because again, we're at a good level. It's hard to keep talking about projects when they're pumping so much and people say, is it a good time to get in? Should I buy now, even though they watched the video? This is the time, right? When you get into charts do not move full vertical. Any chart moving full vertical is probably not a good time to get in because you've missed out on the bag. You're going to be somebody's exit liquidity. You want to get in charts when they go up and come down close to your entry. When they go up, come down close to your entry, and the floor starts rising. So Amber right now, the price action is very, very strong. The game itself, for those of you guys, if it's your first time watching this and finding about Amber, is also very, very good. Their team, in fact, is the same team which edits some of my longer format videos, and they're very, very strong. They have an in-house team which is completely different. You can see the COO, which is actually Iqbal Khan, is a OG in the space. He's very, very good, very, very talented, and very, very committed to making sure this project really works. I've spoken to him in person because obviously he edits most of my videos, and yeah, he's very, very passionate about doing this, and that's what you can see from the content at the moment. I want to share with you actually a sneak peek, because I said to him, look, I need bullish news. I need to see just how good this mobile game is going to be. As you can see here, this is exactly what you want to be seeing. A casual pick up and play game with very, very strong graphics, which is also very, very immersive as well. And it mixes with that crypto concept, right? It mixes with not only the casual player, but also with cryptocurrency characters. Because if you have a look at the website here, you might see some familiar faces, right? You'll see Pepe, for example, right? Maybe next time they even release Based, right? Based Brett, right? For example, you can see they've got Doge, right? So these are the types of characters that can work as a spin-off for marketing as well. And that's why I kind of like this game, because it mixes meme culture with gaming culture. And those of you guys involved in crypto already know this. Memes is a narrative. Gaming is a narrative. It's exactly the same like if they started introducing AI, right? You want to kind of have all these buzzwords associated with a project, and with a gaming project precisely, with a game that actually works. That is why you're seeing the price perform just so good at the moment, right? I also wanted to share with you something that's very interesting. For those of you guys that don't understand about the markets, maybe this is your first cycle or even your second cycle, I want you guys to understand just how cycles move, right? We're at the stage of the market right now. As you can see where it says 56 days, if I zoom in a little bit, we should expect about from here another month, right, of sideways or downwards action. At most, we could even see a capitulation event down to about 48, 49K, maybe even like 52K, right, for example. After that, that's it. You're not going to see another dip again. And I have to be blunt with you guys. you will not see another opportunity for months. You're going to have to sit there and watch everybody else get rich if you don't take these actions right now. That's simple fact as it is, right? You can see that by looking at the price history of previous dips, right? We have the dip sub 20K, right? When everybody was saying we was going to continue, when people were saying, right, I'm going to get in at 10, you know, I'm going to get in at 14K. That never happened, right? Never happened. We heard Capo say it. We've seen so many other YouTubers say it. You missed that, right? Put simply. Then we see in another dip where we actually visited this twice in the 27K ranges. You're not going to see 27K again, even if like it's WW3 or this type of stuff. That's still probably going to turn Bitcoin into even more of a scarce asset, pumping the whole crypto market with it again, right? Everyone's still going to continue to buy meme coins and gamble on crypto casino, right? So again, if we see another dip and another capitulation event, that will be the moment. Now, does that mean that you sit and wait? No, the market's already down, right? For example, for ShareTopia, they're already down from all-time high here to like 50%. It's perfect. Less than 50, but close. It's perfect, right? That's why, you know, when people do 618s, that's why you do 618s, because that's when you see pullbacks to the 60% or 50% pullback ranges, right? These are the points where you DCA, right? And what is DCA? Had a lot of my community asking me this question as well. DCA is when you divide how much allocation you want to get in a project by weeks or months or days. So for example, let's say you want to buy, you know, $5 grand of ShareTopia, for example. Me personally, I would not just put 5 grand in. What I do is I dollar cost average. So I will go, okay, if I'm looking at the market right now and, you know, there's 45 days, right? This is not me predicting this. This is data, right? This is the last time we had Bitcoin halving. The halving before that, right? The halving before that. It's just data, right? If you look at that data, okay, you could predict that, okay, maybe we've got another month. So you divide how much you want to buy by weeks. $5,000 over 4 weeks. Boom, 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 boom. Right, like 1,200 or, yeah, about 1,200 each week was what I would do. And then that would be my position in this investment secure. All I need to do then after that is just sit and wait. Sit and wait for altcoin season, right? Which historically, I actually have it on my chart over here. If you guys look at the screen, you'll see is historically during this phase, which is the phase we're entering now, we're bullish on the Ichimoku, which is like just moving averages. We're bullish in terms of the moving averages. And historically, after BTC halving, this is your altcoin season, right? Which means it's common, whether it is in this section here or even just these last few months here. It's about to be serious. I'm not taking no major profits. I'm not doing no major like pulling money at the market or trying to trade this and trying to, you're going to get wrecked, right? I'd buy and I hold during this stage because that's when you're going to see BTC start ripping to all-time highs. It's going to happen. You need to learn how to develop conviction in these things. And I'm so happy for those of you guys that managed to get into this one over 1 month ago. This is your second chance. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see a more in-detail due diligence video of ShareTopia or maybe some other cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is check out this video here. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.